Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And in today's video, I'm gonna do flags for from the letter I to J. Now, this is a continuation of the flag series. Until now, I have done H. Yep, I've done H. So let's draw it. Okay guys, so that was it for this video. I've completed the I and the J in this video. So that's it for this video and that's it for today. So if you want to see for the rest of the flags, they are gonna come very soon, so stay tuned. But that's it for now and I'll meet you guys in the next video. Bye bye.